Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good evening. How's it going?
Great. Fine. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic. Okay. Welcome. Today's lesson it's about pronunciation and everything else, but also comprehension. So understanding. Okay, a little more in depth. And this is one of Reese's subjects. So Reese and I found a mistake that happens sometimes, and a lot of times actually, with the translator. Okay, it gets it wrong. And so what do I mean by that? Okay, so we have two words here, okay, that mean they're kind of the same subject, but they have different meanings. They're used differently when you use them to build a sentence, to make a sentence, an English sentence. Okay, so in the translator, sometimes it will show that the word law and the word legal mean the same thing. So this is incorrect. Okay, it's wrong, and we're going to show you how they're used in a sentence, and you can play it back and do whatever you want to do. But Reese is going to go first with what the subject is. So what's the subject? How?
May 22.
Yeah, May 22nd. Okay, 2020. Okay,
2020.
so
how to use the words law and legal in a sentence.
Okay, how to use the words law and legal in a sentence. Okay, because they kind of mean the same thing, but they're not. You can't use those words phonetically in the same place. Okay, because one is a noun and one is an adjective. Okay, so they have a certain place where they plug in the sentence. Okay, all right. So what's the first word?
Law.
Law. Okay.
Legal.
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 Goal. Legal. Pulling your tongue is pulling back down in your jaw. Legal. You're holding that down. Legal.
Legal.
Okay.
Legal.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Okay. Legal.
Legal.
Okay. Okay. So let's go right into the sentences. Okay. Reese, you want to go first?
I follow the law when I drive the speed limit.
Okay, good. All right. Okay, so I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. Okay. Okay. I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. Okay. Next
I'm legal when I drive the speed limit.
Limit. Okay. I am legal when I drive the speed limit.
I am legal when I drive the speed limit.
Good. Okay.
All right. My legal comprehension.
Yeah, comprehension. Your understanding. Okay.
Yeah. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law.
Okay. Okay. Now, does anyone see the differences between these? Okay, so I'm expecting a lot of questions, and now's a good time to think about this and send us some questions. Okay, we're just going to keep going over until we get some good questions. Okay, all right. Okay, so my legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Okay, so you would not say my law comprehension is good when I follow the legal. You cannot interchange them there. Okay. Okay, so my legal comprehension is good can be a sentence. My law comprehension is good can be an English sentence. Okay, but we're not done here. Okay, so let me give you one more time correctly and then incorrectly as the translator says it's okay. All right, which is wrong. Okay, so you have to be careful. So sentence number 3. Okay. Correctly. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Okay. All right. That's correct. Now, here's how the translator will have you say it. Okay. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the legal.
Is it wrong?
That's wrong. When I follow the legal? No. Yeah. Okay. My law comprehension is good when I follow the legal? No. Okay. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Okay. Okay, so the words legal and law are not interchangeable. You can't they don't mean the same thing because they have a different definition, okay? They're described differently. And this is comprehension, okay? This goes into context. Remember context? Okay, that's how you know what someone is talking about, okay? The context. And that once you understand, the context of a conversation or what someone is trying to say, you'll form the sentences. Okay. Okay. How to use the words law and legal in a sentence. Okay.
How to use the words law and legal in a sentence.
Okay. Okay. Any questions here? Okay. Does everyone understand? Does everyone comprehend the differences between the words law and legal? Because this was very difficult once you plug in a translator. The translator
means the same.
It means the same, but it's used differently. Okay, which is wrong. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, so law, legal. Mm-hmm. This might be over the heads here, but okay. So again, any questions? Now's a good time to ask. Okay, all right. I follow the law when I drive the speed limit.
I follow the law when I drive the speed limit.
Good. Okay. I am legal when I drive the speed limit.
I'm legal when I drive the speed limit.
Mm-hmm. I'm legal.
I'm legal.
Mm-hmm. I'm legal when I drive the speed limit. Okay.
I'm legal when I drive the speed limit.
Mm-hmm. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law.
My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law.
Okay. No questions. Okay. Okay. So it must be difficult. All right. We'll keep going over it again. How to use the words law and legal in a sentence. Okay. So everyone has their English thinking cap on. Okay. We're thinking in English. Okay. Not in your native language. Okay. How to use the words law and legal in a sentence. Okay.
How to use the word.
Not use it. How to use the.
How to use the
words.
How to use the words.
Law.
Law.
And legal.
And legal.
In a sentence.
In a sentence.
In a sentence.
In
Good.
a sentence.
Yeah. Okay.
How to use how to use the words.
Use the.
How to use the words law and legal in a sentence.
Okay. Okay. So when you
just-
try to
just
smooth it
speak.
out, right? How to use the words? How to use the? How to use the? When you smooth it out a little bit in conversation, you're going to lose. Again, you're going to lose that tendency to put an A in there. Instead of saying how to use the words,
How to use the words.
how to use the words law and legal in a sentence.
How to use the words law and legal in a sentence.
Yeah, and legal.
And how to use the word and legal.
Words, law and legal. Just drop the
Law.
D on the
Law
and.
and legal.
Law and legal. Law and legal.
Law
In a
and
sentence. In a.
legal. In a sentence.
Good. Okay. All right. Law
Law
is a noun. Okay. Legal, in this case, is an adjective. It's describing. Okay. So I follow the law when I drive the speed limit.
I follow the law when I drive the speed limit.
Okay. Or I am following the law when I drive the speed limit. Okay. Okay. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. I'm legal. Okay. When I drive the speed limit. Yes, you're complying. Okay. Okay. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Okay. No questions yet. Okay. Keep going. Okay. I'm going to go over the sentences again. I'm going to go over them slowly and then quickly, and then I'm going to do incorrectly too, the way the translator shows. Okay. Reese wants me to go the whole board again. Okay. How to use the words law and legal in a sentence. Okay. Law, legal. Okay. I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. Okay. So let me say the first one quickly. I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. I'm legal when I drive the speed limit. I'm legal when I drive the speed limit. Okay. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Two is incorrect. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. No, it's not. Okay. So good. We have some questions. Okay. So this is what we're trying to showcase here. We'll talk about. So the translator for Mandarin shows that law and legal are the same and can be used. But what we're trying to explain here is they cannot be used.
Used different.
They're used differently.
Means that.
Okay. Well, this is legal means it's from the law. Okay. Okay, but they're different words and they're used differently. Okay, so number 2 is correct. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. Okay, so the translator would have you believe that you would say, I am law when I drive the speed limit. I am law when I drive the speed. No, that's incorrect. Okay. All right. So number 3, same thing. My law comprehension is good when I follow the legal. No, they're not. That's in this part is correct, but this part, if you put legal here, it's incorrect. Okay.
I know this different is noun and adjective.
Yes. Okay. So we have a question here. I'll just make sure that it's not. It's in Mandarin. Make sure that it's not. Okay. All right. I'm going to go over this again. All right. Because it's important to understand the translator is not always right, okay? And you need to understand it's comprehension, okay? All right, so how to use the words law and legal in a sentence, okay? Law, legal, okay? I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. Okay. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. Okay. Okay. All right. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Okay. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Okay.
My legal comprehension is good
Mm-hmm.
when I follow the law.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, comprehension.
Okay,
Understand.
so good. And it looks like we're starting to get through. People understand also. So this is when Reese and I first met, we only communicated with the translator for a little while, and it was difficult because it would get it wrong in what we were trying to say to each other. And this is it. So you have to be careful when you use a translator. You got to go deeper, okay? Because it's not always right, okay? You know what? It's okay to, if you're trying to communicate in English, it's okay to say the wrong word, but hopefully that person will correct you, and then you'll start using the right word, and then you'll start to learn. But just communicate. It's the most important thing is to just get it out. If it's wrong, you can fix it later. Okay.
Okay.
All right. But don't be wrong and keep being wrong. Okay. Is what we're trying to say. So don't use the translator as your main tool for learning English. It's because it's incorrect. And I'll show you. You use a translator. You speak English. It translates it into Mandarin, for an example. Then you take the translation and put it into English again, okay? And you'll see the difference, okay? You'll see the verb and the subject flipped around. You'll see law and legal used as the same, and it's incorrect, okay? So again, when you come to English, when you want to speak English, you come to English class, you have to think in English. Okay, comprehend. All right. I'm getting the evil eye here, so to get moving. All right. How to use the words law and legal in an English sentence. Okay, in a sentence. All right. Law is a noun. Legal, in this case, is an adjective. Okay, describes. Okay, so I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. Okay. I follow the law when I drive the speed limit.
I follow the law when I drive the speed limit.
Perfect. Okay. I am legal when I drive the speed limit.
I'm legal when I drive the speed limit.
Perfect. I'm legal when I drive the speed limit.
I'm legal when I drive the speed limit.
Mm-hmm. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law.
My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law.
Perfect. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law. Okay.
My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Keep practicing. Okay. So this is something a little different, a little deeper, but we wanted to everyone to understand that the translator can be wrong. Okay. So you have to check it. All right. But I would encourage you to go out and speak English.
One
to
more
someone.
time,
All right, make one more pass here.
Yeah.
All right, how to use the words law and legal in a sentence. How? Okay, we'll show you. Law, legal. Okay, I follow the law when I drive the speed limit. I am legal when I drive the speed limit. My legal comprehension is good when I follow the law.
follow là
Okay,
cái
let me,
mà khởi-
okay, let me see here. Is it legitimate? Okay, I have a question. Is it legitimate when I drive the speed limit? Yes, that's what we're saying here. Okay. Yes, I am legal when I drive the speed limit. It's legitimate. Yes. Good. Very good. Getting deeper here. Excellent. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed our lesson here. And this is all Reese. Okay. I mean, we have a debate. She thinks it should be one way, and I think it should be another way. But we come to an agreement here, and hopefully we all learn. Okay, so I'm learning how to teach Chinese adults, which are different than children. Okay, because it's harder to train someone who's been thinking one way. You got to train them to think another way. Okay, so but take it slow and take it a little bit every day. So again, thank you so much. Hope you learned
Thank you, teacher.
something here, a little comprehension, and we'll find something different for tomorrow or for next time. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Have a good evening.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
I got it.